Dreams are a fascinating and complex phenomenon, and while the exact mechanisms are still not fully understood, we do know a great deal about the processes involved. Dreams are primarily associated with sleep, particularly the stage known as REM rapid eye movement sleep, although they can also occur during other stages of sleep. Here's an overview of how dreams are created. 1. Sleep stages. Dreams can happen during various stages of sleep, but they are most vivid and memorable during REM sleep, which occurs about 90 minutes after falling asleep and recurs throughout the night. During REM sleep, the brain is highly active, similar to when we're awake, but the body is in a paralyzed state to prevent us from acting out our dreams. NREM sleep non-rapid eye movement also contributes to dreams, though they tend to be less vivid. Dreams during NREM sleep may involve fragmented thoughts, memories, or less coherent scenarios. 2. Brain activity during dreaming. Dreams are believed to originate from the brain's activity as it processes information during sleep. Activation of the brainstem. The brainstem, particularly the pons, plays a key role in initiating REM sleep. It sends signals to the cortex, the outer layer of the brain, that result in the production of vivid, sometimes bizarre, imagery and scenarios that make up dreams. The limbic system, particularly the amygdala, is involved in emotional processing. This is why many dreams have strong emotional components, ranging from joy and excitement to fear or sadness. The frontal cortex, which is involved in reasoning and decision-making, becomes less active during REM sleep. This is why dreams often have illogical or irrational storylines. 3. Memory consolidation and dream formation. Memory processing. One of the key functions of sleep is memory consolidation. During sleep, the brain reviews and processes experiences, emotions, and information from the day. Dreams may reflect this process by incorporating memories or experiences we've had recently or from the past. Sometimes these memories are reorganized or recontextualized in ways that don't make logical sense. Random firing of neurons. Some theories, like the activation synthesis hypothesis proposed by researchers Hobson and McCarley, suggest that dreams are the brain's attempt to make sense of random neural activity during sleep. According to this theory, the brainstem sends random signals to the cortex, and the brain tries to create a coherent narrative from this chaotic input. This explains why dreams can seem so random or nonsensical. 4. Psychological and emotional influences. Dreams are not just random. They are often shaped by psychological factors, such as emotions and stress. Emotions play a significant role in dreaming. People who are under stress, anxious, or emotionally overwhelmed may have more intense or vivid dreams. Nightmares, for example, are often related to fear, anxiety, or trauma. Unconscious thoughts. According to Freudian theory, dreams represent a manifestation of unconscious desires, thoughts, or unresolved conflicts. Freud believed that dreams are symbolic, expressing repressed desires in a disguised form. Cognitive processing. Some research suggests that dreams help the brain process and integrate unresolved thoughts, emotions, or conflicts, which is why dreams often reflect personal anxieties or preoccupations. 5. Theories of dream function. Several theories have been proposed to explain the function of dreams, although none are universally accepted. Memory consolidation. Dreams may help solidify memories and emotional experiences from the day, turning them into long-term memories. This aligns with the idea that the brain is actively working through information during sleep. Emotional regulation. Some researchers suggest that dreams help to process and regulate emotions. By dreaming about stressful or traumatic events, the brain might help to reduce their emotional impact when awake. Problem solving. Another theory posits that dreams help with problem solving. Dreams often involve scenarios that don't seem connected to reality but might reflect the brain's way of exploring creative solutions or approaching challenges from a different perspective. Evolutionary theories. Some researchers believe that dreams may serve an evolutionary function, such as rehearsal of fight-or-flight responses or social interactions, helping humans be better prepared for real-life situations. 6. Lucid dreaming. In lucid dreaming, the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming and may even gain control over the events of the dream. This occurs when the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for higher cognitive functions like self-awareness, remains somewhat active during REM sleep, allowing the dreamer to recognize that they are in a dream state. In summary, dreams are created by the brain's activity during sleep, especially in REM sleep, and are influenced by a variety of factors, including brain activity, emotions, memories, and unconscious processes. Theories about the purpose of dreams include memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and problem solving, although the exact role and function of dreams remain a topic of ongoing research.